Hello YouTube, welcome back. I'm just putting this hub back together. There's my Hall effect sensors, you guys, that came in yesterday. Got it installed, but you know, the great thing about a solid tire, it's not very easy to get back on once it's been sitting off the rim for about 2 weeks. It shrank big time. So I made up this little jig here to help me press it on, because there's no way you're doing it by hand. And you have to watch that main wire down there. So I just drilled out 2 pieces of plywood. And there you have it. Nicely remounted, all seated nice. Now I can put this hub and brake assembly back together, and I'm going to throw it on the bench and see if I can do a test before I put it back in the scooter. So I thought I'd show you that little trick, because it was really tough getting this thing back on. So this worked out great. Just use that big C-clamp that you saw, and made sure I put just a little bit of lube kind of around the edge before I started it. And then you put so much pressure on it, she just pops down. Worked out great. So we'll update you soon with the test. Thanks, guys.